Hi, I'm Amin, a student from UiTM Puncak Alam, currently pursuing a Bachelor in Business Administration Marketing. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience as an intern at REHDA Institute and what it felt like stepping into the working world for the first time. Let's dive in. As you can see during the pre-event setup day, we prepared the booth, organized materials, and I had a quick rehearsal. We also confirmed our job scopes. For me, I had to learn how to manage the AV system. It was tiring and all, but exciting to see everything come together. Event day, we were all focused on making sure everything went smoothly. I had managed the AV system and pitched in wherever is needed. It was hectic, but seeing everything come together made it all worth it. And one of the highlights of the day one was the arrival of YB Nga Korming. He came to give a speech about the future of Malaysia's property and real estate industry. It was an honor to witness such an important figure sharing insights directly with the audience. This experience gave me a valuable introduction to the working world. I was involved in various tasks from helping with the event setup to managing the AV system. It wasn't always easy, but it taught me how to be adaptable and ready to take on any challenge. This experience has helped me grow in confidence and has shown me what it takes to succeed in the professional environment. That's all for me. Thank you very much.